Hello everyone, got a couple of new models from Sparky in a 1/64 scale, all Porsches, and we're going to find out if it's any good. Starting with this 2-pack, and then later this red and black Porsche Dauer. Let's see, I need a knife to open this. There we go. First, we're going to have a look at the package. So here we got a picture of the two Porsches that are inside. Porsche 956. And you can see the name of the drivers. Here we can see it's made by Spark Model. It's an official licensed product. That is what we like. And for the ones that are interested, the barcode and article number. Box package. B. Wallach, K. Ludwig, and S. Johansson. 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1983. The cars back then were so much cooler. A little bit of extra protection. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe there was Marlboro here all over it. Because with those red stripes and white, it looks a little bit like a Marlboro, but advertising with cigarettes, it's not possible anymore, and I totally understand and support that. Oh, nice what they did here with the base. By the way, it's a metal base. We got slick rubber tires, nice authentic rims. We even have a side mirrors. We got a windscreen wiper. It is molded in the glass, but it is with black paint. I do see something. Here, the steering wheel. Well, I believe it is the steering wheel, and if it's so, then there is room for improvement. Bucket seat. Yeah, can you see it? Yeah, a little bit. Okay, the next one. Where are you? Oh, you are here, right in front of me. Brock and Perkins. Yeah, this is going to be my favorite of these two. Same car, different livery. Yeah, forgot about to mention the landslides here in the front. And painted here in the back. Both really good. Then we have the Porsche Dauer 1962 Le Mans Black. And the awesome thing about this one, it comes with a license plate. Thank you very much for that. A little bit of protection. Yeah, so cool that it comes with a German license plate. And you see the steering wheel is good here inside. And what is that? There. It's a seat bell. Whoa. That's a crazy cool seat bell. Nice. And a good steering wheel. Why not why not the same steering wheel? Why not using the same steering wheel for this one? This one is so much cooler. Well, there must be a reason for it. Yeah, nice. Also a license plate in the back. Exhaust. Yeah, I think the lights are right here. I think this should be the light. Not here. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not an expert of these cars. Maybe you know. Nice metal base. Yeah, I hear you say the paint is not very well done. It's not that super bad. And overall, I think it's a really good looking Porsche. And it makes, for me, it's a winner because it comes with a license plate. Now here we got the red version. Let's have a look at that one as well. Box package, I like that. Officially licensed product. Barcode article number. Did I show you the barcode article number from this one? Not 100% sure. Some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Oh, here we can have a better look in the interior. Oh, okay. It won't fall off. Again, a license plate. Different license plate. I like that. Here we can have a better look in the interior. There are the seat belts. I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pew. Aha! I think I've found an error. They forgot the lights here. Yeah. I've got one with an error. Now, I'm not sure if I'm happy with that. But you see, it's possible. They forgot to check at the quality control. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Yeah, this is going to be my favorite. And also the red one with the license plate and the backlights. Very important. Have a good one. Bye.